Hi, Lisa. I'm really sorry.
It's
I
okay.
wanted to.
It's okay. Good
Oh,
evening.
hello, dog.
How are you? Oh, what happened? Don't be sad. What happened? Oh, why are you crying? Teacher Lisa is not angry. I'm gonna wait for you for 15 minutes. Remember that? Why are you sad? Oh, don't cry. Where did you go?
I don't turn up a laptop, man. I come to the old laptop yesterday.
What about before our class? Where did you go?
I I go to taekwondo and I play in the playground.
It's okay.
When I
Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath so that we can start. Are you okay? Where are you now? Hey. Don't worry about it, okay? We still have a lot of time. 15 minutes.
went,
Okay?
hmm,
This time we are going to study about the use of am, is, and are. Okay, so we are
hmm,
going to use them. We are going to
teacher,
use,
I have no pen.
you don't know what?
I had no pen.
Oh, okay. Okay, okay. I'm so sorry. I forgot about the pen. Okay. So we are going to use them in the present tense. Okay? So am is with I. Always with I. Okay? Then
Hmm,
is going to be with singular subjects. He, she, and it, or singular nouns. While are, you're going to use them for we, they, and you in the present tense. Okay? Plural nouns with you in the plural in the present tense. Okay, so are you ready?
yes.
Okay. Okay, so let's see now. These are, okay, imagine these are your friends. So we have Tim, we have Ed, we have Kat, and Missy. Okay, so let us do this one first. Let us read first.
Okay, wait a moment. I gonna change my pen color.
Okay.
Dang, I like this mint color.
Okay. Let us read the first sentence. Hi,
Hi, I am Rina.
Katrina.
Rina.
Katrina.
Trina. It's really not name.
Mm-hmm.
Not this one. That is Rina.
Okay, okay. But
But my friend can call me Kite.
cat.
Cat.
Cat. Okay, next one.
They are my friend.
They are.
His name is Ed and he is 8 years old.
Yeah, he's
Actually, boy is 10 or 9. The girl
another boy.
name is 8. Pretty. We are classmates in the
In
in
third,
third grade.
third grade.
Grade. Are you in the grade too?
Are you in third grade too?
No, I'm
Oh,
two grade.
you are second grade?
Two grade.
Uh-huh. Okay. So remember, okay? remember, okay? Let's go to the next page. You are going to use am with I only. Present tense. If he, she, and it are you, we, and they. Okay, okay. Complete the sentences. Am, okay, wait a minute.
What do I watch?
Or are. Okay, you choose.
I I am
Okay, very good. Oh, you're right.
Jack. She is.
I am
I am from Korea.
good.
She is from the American.
She
What the
is from
Philippines?
the USA.
USA. You even here?
No, this
What?
you
What
this
is
is
the
America.
Philippines?
This is the flag of the United States of America. That's not the flag of the Philippines.
Philippines. What is the Philippines
Yeah.
flag?
Okay. Let me check if I can show you. Okay, the Philippine flag has four colors. Four colors. One, two, three, four. Yes. Okay, wait a minute. Okay.
What
So this
is
is the
the Philippines?
flag. Yes. Blue and red and three stars and a sun. Okay, that's the Philippine flag.
The Philippines.
Okay,
And
let's go back.
what's your snack today?
Oh, bread and some coffee and some crackers. I ate already the purple bread.
Where is it?
No more because I ate it.
You
I
had
ate.
no bananas?
No, I left the bananas at home. Okay, so what is the
Then
blank? What is
what's
the
your
blank here?
dinner?
Um, egg and sausage and some noodles
Hmm.
and
You ate
rice.
so many noodles and egg and sausage.
No, no. I did not eat a lot of noodles.
Hey,
Okay, come on. What is the blank here? She.
she is
Okay, she is. Give me right. She is. Okay,
is.
then. Next. Okay. Next one.
Son, he he is from.
What country
I
is that?
don't know the town name.
Oh,
Australia.
yeah, that's Australia. Okay, he is
He is
from
from Australia.
Australia. Okay, next one. Very good.
There, there at from Japan.
Wait a minute. What are you going to use? Is or are? They,
Am from Japan.
they am.
No, they are
Okay, they are from
from
Japan.
Japan.
Okay, very good. Let's go to the next one.
We is from, I
We
don't
blank.
know.
How many? There are two. So what are you going to
We
use? We
we am from.
try
We
again.
are from. We are.
We are from.
I don't know this name.
Okay. Where is the place with the which country has the biggest pyramids?
I don't know about pyramids.
Egypt. Okay, we are from
Asia,
Egypt.
Asia.
Okay, next. Is or are? Is
Hmm.
or are?
Are.
Oh, how many poodles can you see? It it are a poodle?
Oh, next one. Add a puppy,
Poodle.
a poodle. What a poodle
That's a kind of dog. It's a kind of dog. Okay? There's only one, so we're going to use is. It is.
is.
It is a.
Is a
What's the sound of this one?
P-O-O.
Yes.
Puff.
So how do you read Poo?
Puff.
Poo.
Poo.
Poo. Oh, then you add
Poo.
DLE.
Poodle
Yeah, poodle. It is a. It is a.
is a poodle.
Okay. Next one.
He is 9 years old.
Hmm. Is this 9?
No, 8
Okay, so he is 8 years old. Years
years
old.
old.
Okay. He is 9 years old. Very good.
Hmm,
Okay, what about you? How old are you? I
9.
I am I am you start with I
I'm
9
9
years old.
years old, but I'm 9
I am 9 years old.
years old. Zombie.
Okay, this time we are going to have short answers. Okay, can you read this one?
Is Tom happy? Yes, he is.
Okay, yes, he is. Are you happy?
Yes,
I am.
I am.
Yes. Okay. Yes, I am. But we don't have much time. Okay, so we are going to continue page 10 tomorrow. Okay. Bye
Okay.
bye.
Bye
See
bye.
you
See
tomorrow.
you tomorrow. Bye bye.